want to get her name.
Yes. Start with your name and your organization.
My name is Serena Simmons. I was with, I just retired from the National Institutes of Health. I was in the facilities planning office there.
So what brings you to the symposium?
I saw its listing in the Building Museum information, and I had read the biography of Olmsted Sr. and have always been fascinated by landscape architecture and so forth. So I'm here just out of interest.
Wonderful. What are some of the things from the earlier sessions that really got your attention?
I hadn't realized the degree, a clarification of the boundary between the senior and the junior. And also I had not been aware of, I'd been aware of the landscape part of it, but not of the urban planning aspect of it. It's actually been great fun because we are part of a little, very, very old community down in the Chesapeake Bay. We're about to try to do a master plan for ourselves. So I've been talking to a number of people about that effort and kind of how some of these thoughts weigh into it.
Well, that really ties into the theme of the event, inspirations for the 21st century. So as you go back to your group in the Chesapeake Bay neighborhood, what are some of the inspirations that you're going to be taking from the symposium?
Some of them contacts in that a couple of groups I gather are willing to come in on a pro bono basis and help with some of that. So that's because what we need to do, we have a main street, we have a defined area because we've got water on three sides. So how to incorporate that natural topology and the historic and so forth into something to build in the public spaces and revive the small business center, and part of it is all kind of part and parcel of what Olmsted was trying to do.
Absolutely, absolutely. Any parting thoughts in terms of today's event and what you've learned about Olmsted Junior?
I'm very sorry that the tours got canceled for tomorrow. I was looking forward to those. And I presume you're going to give us some more information on when we can sign up for the San Francisco one.
Absolutely.
My daughter lives in San Francisco and is on staff at Stanford, so
Wonderful.
I'm hoping to go out for that half of it too. Are the seminars going to be totally different, or are you going to repeat the talks?
No, they'll be different with a more specific focus on his influence over the American West. Obviously, a very different sort of landscape
Right.
and agriculture concerns.
Although St. Francis Woods and Roland Park aren't very different in feel.
So yes, well, it's wonderful to have you at the event. Thank you again for your time.
Thank you.
Hold on just one moment.
You need to take your